Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize use AWS Cognito authentication in no code, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account. In the Services menu, search for and select Cognito. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select the Create a User Pool button. Enter a unique name for your user pool. Click on Review Defaults to proceed with the default settings. Review the options and click Create Pool. Once created, you will see the pool dashboard. From the dashboard, click on App Clients in the left menu. Choose Add an App Client. Enter a name for your app client. Uncheck the Generate Client Secret box for easier no-code integration. Click Create App Client to finalize this step. Next, navigate to the Domain Name section on the left menu. Choose a domain prefix for your user pool. Click Save Changes to establish your domain. Now, locate the user pool ID on the main dashboard. Copy this user pool ID, as you will need it later. Next, find that App Client ID from the App Clients section. Copy this App Client ID as well. Now, open your no-code platform of choice, such as Bubble or Webflow. In your no-code platform, navigate to the Settings or Integrations section. Look for the AWS Cognito integration feature. Paste the user pool ID into the designated field. Then, paste the App Client ID into the corresponding field. Configure any additional settings as required by your no-code platform. Now, set up the authentication workflows according to your app's needs. Make sure to define the redirect URLs for your application in the Cognito console. Test the integration by initiating a sign-up process. Verify that users can successfully register and log in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.